Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to prepare supper and I'm going to show you what I'm having for supper today. That will be turkey meat, which I'm going to prepare now, and potatoes or potatoes, how do we call it? Potatoes, and some vegetables. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing my preparation. Yes, so please join me. So yeah, the preparation. So here is the turkey meat that I am going to prepare. Here it is, here on this board. And first of all, I'm just going to add salt, which I have here. I'm just going to do the salt, just to make sure that I add salt all over. This one I'm going to place or put in the oven. Yes. So, and then there's this thymian that I'm also going to use. Thymian I have here. So I just have to make sure that what will I say, add it all over on the meat. So after that, I'm going to use the paprika here. Which I just have to spread it all over. And then here. So the paprika is done. Now it's time for the pepper. So pepper is also done. So I'll just make sure that it is nicely done, as you can see. And then I've just finished now. So I'm going to place it here. And then I'll just do it simple. I'll just add water. And then I'll just place it in the oven for it to cook. So I'll start with 110 degrees, and then later I'll add the amount of degrees that I will continue baking it. Is it baking? Okay, yeah. So now let me begin. I'm going to wash my hand so that we continue. So I'll be adding water, just clear water, just like that. Yep. And then I'm just going to place it in the oven. So now the turkey is in the oven. I'll just put it here. And this will go for 1 hour. Exactly 1 hour. First we let it cook for 1 hour. So now I'm doing the preparation for the vegetables. I'm going to cut the vegetables here. I'm going to start with the paprika, which I have here. So paprikas is here. I'm going to cut them. Here is the paprikas, starting to cut. I'm finished with the paprikas. Now I'm going to cut carrots, which are here. So I'm just going to cut them like this way. Just put them in the bowl, and then cut the second one. I have 2 carrots that I'm cutting. That's enough for the vegetable. So it's cut. So that is also cut. I'm finished with the carrots. Now I'm going to cut the onions. I'm using 1 onion. So still cutting. So the onion I'm just going to put directly in the cooking pot. Then I have garlic, and this is garlic, 1 garlic, and this is ginger. I always cook with them, always. There's no meal that I don't cook without them. So I've just cut and place here. They're just going to be cooked together. And now it's time to cut the tomatoes. Or let me start here. I'll cut the tomatoes first. I'll put this here on top of the carrots, then tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes being cut. So this away. So I'll finish with the tomatoes. Yes, so now I'll be cutting the coriander leaves, which I'll use the last. Then I have here pepper that I'm cutting now. Just going to put it also in the cooking pot already. So I'm ready to start cooking. So the preparation has just begun. Adding oil. So I'm preparing this. So I'm preparing peas, this one here. In the meantime, I'll be preparing potatoes, which are here. Here on the table, here are the potatoes that I'm going to prepare. So I'm just going to cut. So these are the potatoes that I'm preparing. I'll be cutting so I'll start to peel the potatoes and just place them here. So these potatoes I'm just going to boil. So this is the food that I'm preparing for supper. So now I'm just going to check on the onions. I think they are ready. Then I'll be adding tomatoes. Yeah. So let me check on the onions. The onions are also ready. Now I'll be adding tomatoes. So here. And then I'm going to cover. But first I'm going to add salt. Ready. Add this. Then I'll be adding the peas here. Here is the tomato paste. Water I'll be adding also, and then I'm just going to cover and let it cook. So here we go, we are going to let it cook. So the potatoes are also here ready. I've just finished peeling them. I've added salt and water. Now I'm just going to let them boil Yes. So I'm just going to cover. We can check on the piece how they are doing. So now I'll be adding coriander leaves to the vegetables here. Because it's ready. It is cooked and ready. So our vegetables is also here ready. So for the meat, I'm also going to add, I've increased the degrees to 180 degrees. And then now I'll put it will cook for 10 minutes. 180 for 10 minutes. No, 10 minutes. So 10 minutes. So I'm just going to check if it's ready. Yeah, it looks nice. So the potatoes are ready. I'm going to strain the water. Yeah, so I'll show you what I'll do next. So now that the potatoes are ready, so this is nutmeg. Here is nutmeg. This one here, I'm just going to grate it over here. That is to enhance the taste. So that's enough. And then now, I always use olive oil instead of butter. So the taste is the same. Some people use butter, but I prefer olive oil, which I'm going to just add. And then I'm just going to mix. Then I've just finished. So I'll be doing the mixing. So that's it, I've finished. So at this point the meat is ready. I'll just remove it from the oven. Now I'll just be cutting it. I'm slicing in long pieces, yes, so that it will be ready for serving. Yes, looks nice. So I've just cut. Let's see. So the food is ready. This is the turkey flesh. So these are the vegetables that I've prepared. That is the turkey meat, not flesh. Yeah, and this is potatoes. So I'm just going to serve. I am going to serve. So the food is ready. Bonnie, what are you doing here? I'm serving. Yeah, I'm serving for myself. Oh, so I'll start with the meat. Turkey meat is here. Bonnie, go away. And then I'll be doing some potatoes, which I'm also serving here. The potatoes here. Bonnie, go away. Potatoes. And then here, let me show you guys what I'm taking for my supper. Here I have the vegetables, the peas, the carrots. Here we go. Here. So just serving, and a little bit of sauce because we need some sauce also. So this is my food here. So we thank God for the food, for the provision of the food, and also for the preparation, for giving me the energy to prepare the food, and for providing the food. So God bless the food. And now I'm going to taste and let you guys know how it tastes, but it tastes delicious as usual. So let's eat. So time to eat. So I'll first cut my turkey meat, which is here. So I'm having my turkey meat here. And then I'll have a piece. Also nice. And the potatoes. So delicious. I'll just mix like this with the carrots. Oh, so these potatoes, and I've also taken carrots. Nice food. Guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye bye till the next one.